How to screencast Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 phone with MIUI 13, and you're connecting it with a Windows 11 computer desktop or a laptop. Okay, so first make sure they're both connected to the same Wi-Fi router. Both your phone and your Windows 11 computer should be connected to the Wi-Fi router, the same one, and I would recommend using Wi-Fi connection for this to work at best. In the quick toggle section of your Redmi Note 11 phone, make sure the screencast toggle is there for fast access when it's time to screencast. And if it's not there, you can always use the edit option found to the top right here. As you tap on that, you'll see available toggles and screencast should be there. Once you have that set and ready to go, now heading over to our computer, we'll go into the startup menu. We'll click there once and we'll go to where it says settings. As you go there, you want to make sure you're under the system category section. So that's to the left menu here. Make sure you're under system. And when you're in the system section, going down the list of options in the center section here, you'll go down until you see projecting to this PC. As you click on that, you'll notice that it'll take you to a different set of options. The first thing to the top, you'll see launch the Connect app. And of course, if you don't see that, you might see wireless display or need to install it. If it says that, click on it. A window will open up, type in wireless display, and then click on the box to install it, let it run, and then come back here. Once you've done that, you'll see launch the Connect app. Then there's these three drop-down menus. You want to make sure they all are set as available everywhere for the first one. The second one will say every time a connection is requested. And the third one should be never for the pin. And then there's this on and off switch that will allow your PC to be discoverable. Make sure you turn that on. I forgot to show you that, but it's right there. When you're ready, click on the Launch Connect app. You'll see this show up on your screen for your computer. And while it's doing that, hop over to your Redmi Note 11 phone using the quick panel access, once again going into the screencast toggle. You will long press it, don't single tap it, long press it. And that'll take you straight into the main screencast settings. Go ahead and turn on the switch for it. You may get some prompts here, which will ask you to allow. And of course, once you get that, you'll see the name of your computer show up under the search settings area. And as you select it, it will show that it's connecting on your computer like that. And you should have it all set and ready to screencast or already connected. If you want to switch into landscape mode, be sure your auto rotate is enabled to switch over like this here. And of course, depending on how well or smooth your Wi-Fi connection is, will determine how smooth this screencast experience will be for you. And ladies and gentlemen, if this tutorial was helpful in any way, please do hit that like, sub, and of course, if it doesn't work the first time, try to disconnect your Wi-Fi on both of them and then connect it again and then try it. That usually works a lot of times, or simply restart both devices and try again. Thanks for watching.